Hey everyone, Dr. Plant here. I want to take just a few moments today to talk to you about one of the benefits of intermittent fasting. Now, there are several benefits of intermittent fasting, but today I'm going to focus on just one of them, autophagy. This is the hidden gem that a lot of us don't know about that comes from intermittent fasting and how we can ultimately maximize it. And so what I want to do today is first explain what it is, why it's important, and second, what we can do to maximize the benefits of the lifestyle that we're living. So the first, what is autophagy? Well, autophagy literally means autophagy, eating, self-eating. Now, this doesn't mean that you get some kind of crazy zombie phase and you're eating your body, but rather it's at the cellular level. So to explain this, I want to first explain to you what cells or how our cells age. So as a cell grows and develops, it's young, it's vibrant, things are working very efficiently, enzyme activity is going very well, but like all things in nature, as they get older, they don't work as efficiently. And what happens is those enzymes and those proteins, when they're not working as efficiently, what happens is they start to fold different ways. They start to make proteins that, when folded correctly, are very effective and healthy. When they're folded incorrectly, in many ways can be very detrimental for our long-term health. For example, a misfolded protein is thought to be attributed to Alzheimer's, the tau protein. And when it misfolds, it actually cascades all these other proteins to misfold, and those are what form the plaques in the brain. And so this is something that you see throughout a variety of different cells, this misfolding of proteins as they get older. Now, autophagy is a process to where you have these young cells that are stimulated to grow and come out, and for them to kind of feed, they use and recycle the good components of the old cells while ultimately destroying those bad portions of those old cells. So it's a little bit like a junkyard. These young cells will go to a junkyard. They will make sure that they pick out the steering wheel that still may be good on those cars, but realizing there's no way they are using those tires and send those tires off to be destroyed. And so they're picking and choosing the subcellular components that they want to use as an energy source and recycle. And so autophagy is a powerful process whereby our body at a cellular level is kind of reborn. It's recycling components and being reborn. Now, autophagy is happening frequently as we're young, but as we get older, the rate at which it's happening declines drastically. And the reason that happens is because of our good old nemesis, insulin. When insulin levels are high, this other hormone level called glucagon tend to be low. Glucagon, when it's low, doesn't stimulate autophagy, but when glucagon levels are high, autophagy is stimulated. Now, one of the key factors that stimulates glucagon is when the insulin levels drop, simultaneously it causes those glucagon levels to rise. And a way that you can drop your insulin levels is through an extended period of time of low caloric intake or an intermittent fasting lifestyle. In fact, today, the intermittent fasting lifestyle, I believe, is the most effective way to stimulate autophagy, which is so important as we get older. Now, how can we, as I said before, how can we make sure we maximize the benefits or the frequency of autophagy? Well, one is we want to create a lifestyle that promotes that. Intermittent fasting is that. So go 1 day a week for an extended period of time with low calories, usually around 300 or so, 400. For those that are utilizing the isogenic system, we make this simple for you. Utilize up to 10 credits of Isagenix approved snacks on your cleanse day. And so 24, 36 hours, this extended period of time of a low caloric intake is critical to help stimulate that. Additionally, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to supplement your body with natural herbs that help your body's own detoxifying system. That's right. Your body has its own detoxifying system. It's called your liver and your kidneys. And there are herbs that are very critical or are very functional in helping to support those. Now, at Isagenix, we have given you a great product to help support your body's natural detoxifying system called Cleanse for Life, utilizing a variety of different herbs and botanicals. Now, what we do with this is by supporting your body's natural detoxifying system, the idea is you're more effectively able to help recycle those components that are good while also tagging those components which aren't good to be sent off for destruction and allowing your body to do it more effectively. So I hope you learned a little bit that intermittent fasting isn't just for weight loss. It is also a great way to promote healthy aging. And utilizing a system to keep it simple, such as the isogenic system, giving you 10 credits that you can use on your cleanse day, as well as Cleanse for Life to help you maximize those benefits of giving you those benefits of autophagy. I hope you learned a little bit about what Cleanse for Life does for you and the benefit of the isogenic system.